Hi, Mr. Rao.
Hi, Venkata.
Uh, what is Sprint Candidate?
Yeah. Sprint Candidate is a small unit of work that can be developed, deployed, and tested independently.
Is this different from user story?
Yes, this is a little bit different. In general, user stories are written in user perspective only, but not in system perspective, whereas sprint candidates are developed in system perspective, which can include the user perspective also. So that way, the user stories are a subset of sprint candidates.
Who owns Sprint Candidates?
Yeah, sprint candidates are owned by the lead developer. So that means lead developer is responsible in developing the sprint candidates by collaborating with the development team. The reason for that one is sprint candidate has the flavor of both business and technical requirements. So that's the main reason lead developer is the right person to develop the sprint candidates.
Okay. What is the role of product owner in Sprint Candidates?
Yeah, very important question. Product owner is going to review the sprint candidates in business aspect, and whereas the technical aspect of the sprint candidates are reviewed by the lead architect.
What is the role of testers in developing Sprint Candidates?
Yeah, testers play a huge role in this sprint candidates development. Basically, what they do is they review the sprint candidates document, which has the business requirements and also the technical implementation. By understanding the business requirement and the technical implementation, they write the test cases and test scenarios. And here, once they develop, the development will have an opportunity to refine the test cases and test scenarios. So that way, this approach will make the process good and also everybody on the same page. And once this is done, these test cases and scenarios are going to be the acceptance criteria for the sprint candidate.
How do you estimate a Sprint Candidate?
A sprint candidate is divided into tasks. Tasks are estimated by development team. The sum of the tasks estimation is approximately equal to the sprint candidate estimation.
Who is part of the development team?
Developers, testers, and support team form a development team in general, but specifically for a sprint, the resources needed to implement the tasks in a sprint candidate form a development team.
Can you explain about sprint planning?
A lead developer is responsible for sprint planning. The lead developer will identify the sprint candidates in a sprint. The sprint candidates are identified based on the logical priority. Once the sprint candidates are identified, the duration of the sprint is automatically calculated.
Which means the sprint duration is not fixed.
Yes, in WatAgile methodology, sprint duration is not fixed. It depends on the sprint candidates pulled into the sprint.
That is a good concept.
Yes.